ladies and gents, it's your girl Khadijah L, and today I will be showing you how to bleach and customize your 4x4 lace closure. So right now I'm just showing you the knots in the closure. The little black specks is what we call knots. What we're going to do is bleach those knots, and it's going to bring it to a blondish kind of scalp effect. So right now what you see me doing is spraying the got to be glued on the closure to keep all the flyaways away, and then I'm going to take my BW2 powder and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. After you see me do that, you're going to see me take my 40 volume developer and I'm going to pour a little bit of that at a time into the bowl and keep mixing until I get more of a pasty consistency. I don't want it too runny because then it will bleed into my frontal, and as you can see in one of my other videos I show you how to correct that. But just keep mixing until you get it into a pasty consistency. And the 40 volume developer, you can use 10, 20, 30, 40. 50 is for beauticians if I'm not mistaken, and you have to have a license to get that, but I recommend using 30 or 40 just to get the process faster so you won't damage the hair. So I always say start from the back of your closure. The reason I say this is because the hair is more denser in the back. The back is going to be processing while you're going up to the front. The front is going to take less time, so you want, because the front is less denser, it's going to take less time, so you want to make sure that you do the back first. And after I do that, you're just going to see me lay it on a piece of aluminum foil just to get it to process quicker, and I let it stay for about 15 to 20 minutes at the most, and just keep watching it, looking at the knots in the front just to see if they are bleached. So I went ahead off camera and I shampooed and conditioned the hair, and I shampooed it with my L'Oreal Shimmer Lights shampoo, and that's the purple shampoo. All it did was take the brassiness from under my lace closure, and what I'm going to begin doing now is customizing my hairline. So right now you're going to see me comb the hairs back just to get them out of the way, and I always recommend using a angled tweezer just for it can be more precise when you're plucking. And I always start plucking in the front. I never stay in one area for more than like 3 to 5 seconds, for the simple fact of getting a spot, putting a bald spot into that area. So as you can see, I'm just plucking, taking my time. I did fast forward this video so it may look like I'm plucking fast, but I'm really not. So right now I'm just taking my time and plucking the hairline. What you're going to see me do to the more denser part in the back, as you can see, when the hair starts to thin, I'm going to part that and I'm going to begin plucking in the back of that area too. So I put this part in real time for a little bit just to show you guys my plucking technique. Okay, now I'm finished plucking my lace closure, and as you can see, my hairline is more natural looking, and I just went back in a little more and plucked a little more at some spots that I see needed more work. But for the most part, you can see that the hairline is not as straight across, and it's more natural looking than it was before. This is the finished product of me customizing my lace closure. Ladies and gents, I want to thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment below.